got the simple version. 2, 3, A minor, C, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, A, E minor. Now we can add on all the ones. So we got that other one where you can add the little pinky. I think sometimes you don't have to go to the C, you can just be on this one. Yeah, but anyway, the strumming. So we got E minor, we just add this one, so yeah. So it's an E minor, and then we add that one. So yeah. Could come up to this one, so barring on 5 and then 7 there, A minor, so you can go. And then obviously just mess around with the chords on your own, just to create your own thing. So A minor, C, E minor. Adios.